So the Community University Research for Recovery Alliance was a 7-year actually research program. We'd been doing research related to the collapse of the northern cod stocks and the Gulf cod stocks as well for about a decade or almost 15 years, I guess. After we finished a major study on the west coast of Newfoundland, the people in the community said, okay, fair enough, you've done lots of research, but we really want to look at strategies for rebuilding. You know, oil production is going to be going down. Where we really see opportunity is in the fishery. Well, everything was oil and energy. And, you know, the fishery is the thing that's sustainable here. There's a global shortage of seafood. It's a very high value product. There are huge opportunities. And, you know, if we don't have fisheries in rural communities, we won't have tourism because we won't have a population. The fishery is an integral part of this place. There's huge opportunity here, but you know we've had a kind of one-track mind when it comes to the fishery, and it's got a bad reputation, and we just have to change that. From my point of view, we aren't investing heavily enough in fisheries science. The whole mentality is we need to downsize, downsize, downsize. Well, downsize isn't revitalize. We've done a huge amount of downsizing. We need to revitalize. If I was the Minister of Fisheries in this province, you know, I would be sitting down right now with people at municipalities in Newfoundland and Labrador, with people in the Department of Tourism, a whole range of different government departments, including health, and saying we need to be eating more high-quality seafood here. You know, it would improve the nutrition, it would improve the health of the people who live here, it would give us a local market for our seafood. You know, we need to be using our fisheries much more actively as part of our tourism process here. We need to get young people into fisheries in this province. How can we find ways to attract them into this industry and to draw on the skills of a younger generation to produce a different kind of product and so on and so forth. So, I mean, I would be in the community. I would be working with rural communities to come up with regional strategies for fisheries that would work for those regions, and then we have to figure out a way to get them the power to do that work. And I would be putting money into this, and if I was the Premier, I'd be putting money into fisheries and aquaculture, because this is not the time to be under-investing in our fisheries. This is the time to revitalize them.